Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a notification, and this notification is released from National Housing Bank, and the number of vacancies are 16, and the post is Assistant Manager Scale 1. So let's see in detail of this notification. Number of vacancies are 16. In that, for SC 4, OBC 3, EWS 3, for General 6. So total of 16. And there is a reservation for PWD, that is for HI 1. Coming to the education qualifications, they required a full-time bachelor degree in any discipline with a minimum of 60 marks. And candidates belonging to SC or ST or PWD, they require minimum percentage of 55% or full-time master degree in any discipline with aggregate minimum of 55%. In case of SC, ST, PWD candidates, they require 50%. And also candidates who have a qualification like CA or MCA or company secretary can also apply for this post. And while no prior experience is required, if any relevant experience would be given as a weightage. These are the skills they require, that is communication skills, written and oral, analytical ability and general understanding of economics scenario. And these are the important dates. The online registration will be start on 29th August of 2020, and the last day to apply is September 18th. And we'll be having the exam in November or December of 2020. Coming to the age limit, the minimum age should be 21 years and max should be 30 years, and there is an age relaxation for this. Candidates belonging to SC and ST, they have age relaxation of 5 years, and for OBC they have 3 years, and PWD candidates belonging to general category, they have 10 years, and PWD candidates belonging to SC or ST, they have 15 years, and PWD belonging to OBC, they have 13 years, and for ex-servicemen they have 5 years of age relaxation. And coming to the application fee, candidates belonging to SC or ST or PWD, they have to pay 175 rupees. Other than this category, the candidate should pay 850 rupees. And these are the exam centers for online exam. For Andhra Pradesh, they gave Visakhapatnam as a center, and for Telangana, they gave Hyderabad as a center. And coming to the selection process, it consists of 2 phases. In phase 1, we will be having an online exam, and in phase 2, there will be an interview. And the online exam consists of both the objective type and the descriptive type. And in objective type, you will be having reasoning and computer ability for 60 marks, and general awareness for 50 marks, and English language for 30 marks, and quantitative aptitude for 60 marks. So total of 200 marks for objective type, and they will be giving you time of 3 hours. And in descriptive type exam consists of English language, that is letter writing and essay. This is for 25 marks, and they will be giving you time for 30 minutes. And the last day to apply for this job is 18th September 2020. So all the best. Thanks for watching this video.